Here's how to make a Game Pass in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. Now you can see I have my iPhone and my Android phone. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create those Game Passes and then to upload them to Please Donate. Now just go to the home section again on your phone and then tap More at the bottom right. Scroll down until you get to Create and tap on Create. Tap on the three lines at the top left. And then tap on Creations right under Home. You can see here is my place. Everybody who has an account has a place by default. All you need to do is tap on the place and then tap on those three dots at the top right and make sure it says make private. If it says make public, that means you have a private place and you need to set it to public. After you've done that, just tap on the place to open it up. After you've opened up the place, tap on the three lines at the top left. Open up monetization, so if it's closed, just open it up. And tap on passes right under monetization. From here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see if you've created any passes, and you can see if you want to create a new pass. Let me unselect that. You just tap Create Pass. Now I'm just going to do this on the iPhone because it works the exact same from here. Set the name to be whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to just say, how are you? And hit check. And now after I've done that, let's hit Create Pass. However, after you've done that, if I scroll down to the pass that I just created, you can see it is set to off sale. So I need to make this for sale and set a certain Robux to it. So from here, tap on that pass and then tap on the three lines at the top left and tap on Sales. From here, turn on Item is for sale and set a default price. Keep in mind the price on here will not be the price that you get. Roblox does take 30%, so you won't get the full price. But I'm going to set this to, say, 55 Robux and hit Save Changes. Now, after I've done that, I've created that Robux, and you can see these are enabled and they have a price to them. Let's hop out of here by tapping the X at the top left and then tap on Home at the bottom left. Scroll down and find the Please Donate game and tap on Play. And now from here, all we need to do is find a stand. So I'm going to find, say, one of these random stands that is empty. Let's say this one. Just go up close enough to it until you see claim and then press and hold on it. And just like that, you have claimed that stand, and now you can add text to it, you can modify it, but people can now donate directly to you. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.